Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making chilled sesame spinach. Let's get right to it. To start, prepare 8 shiitake mushrooms. Rinse and chop them. Add cooking oil to a saucepan and also the chopped mushrooms. Cook over medium heat until golden brown. Add sugar and dark soy sauce and stir fully. Get out for later use. Bring some water to a boil and add goji berry. Remove berries from water with a strainer and wait until cool. Add the spinach and cook until wilted 1 to 2 minutes. Remove spinach from water with a strainer and wait until cool. Cook sesame seeds over strong heat and stir until fragrant. Squeeze spinach tightly using hands to remove as much water as possible. Place in bowl and add chopped mushrooms, sesame seeds, sesame oil, and olive oil. Mix fully. Add the mixed salad to a cup and squeeze tightly to compact the leaves. Arrange on a serving plate and finally garnish with goji berries on top. Then chilled sesame spinach is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.